Hello there, welcome to my channel on chemistry lessons. This is AQA A-level chemistry and we're going to look at enzymes. So the specification then, there is right there. So we need to know basically what enzymes are and in terms of stereochemistry, how they work. First up though, if you don't subscribe, please do. Your support's very much appreciated. Thank you very much. So what are enzymes then? Well, enzymes are proteins, so they're very large protein molecules. That's why it pops up at this part of the spec. But enzymes specifically are biological catalysts and they speed up biological processes. You'll be aware of this from your work at GCSE, and obviously those of you that do A-level biology will know of some specific examples. We don't need to know examples, we just need to know what they do. And this is how they work. So enzymes have active sites where substrates bind to them. And drugs work by binding to the active site instead of the substrate, and therefore they block it. And that's known as an enzyme inhibitor. It prevents the substrate from binding. So how does this work then? Well, enzymes are stereospecific, or substrates are stereospecific, depends on which angle you're looking at it. And what does that mean? Well, this is our work on stereoisomerism. So there are two forms of stereoisomerism. You'll have done your EZ and optical. Now we're talking about optical isomerism here. So active sites are stereospecific. This means that only one of the two enantiomers of the drug or the substrate has the correct shape to bind to it. So only one enantiomer can bind to the active site, therefore it's stereospecific. We can use computers to help us design the correct shape of these drugs. And then now obviously then go on and manufacture these drugs. Now, just a point to make that if you manufacture a drug in a lab, the chances are you would make a racemic mixture. That means you have both enantiomers in 50-50 mixture, an equal amount of both enantiomers. So that means that only 50% of the drug that you make in a lab would be active because only one of those enantiomers is the correct shape to fit the active site. That means that the other 50% is either inactive or even worse, could have side effects. Now, natural materials is a much better way to start because natural materials do only contain one enantiomer. And that's all we need to know on enzymes for A-level chemistry. Thank you.